Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change your email ID or email address on your Pinterest account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to change your email address on your Pinterest account? Just going to show in this video. First, open your Pinterest account. Click on your profile by clicking on the saved option. Then after clicking here, you have the option called account management. Click on this. And here in the account management, you have the option called email. Just click on the email option. Now just change the email address and click on the next option. Then you have the verification code and the process go on, and your email or Gmail ID will be changed on your particular Pinterest account. This is the way that you can as easily change your email address on the Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made by Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.